I got something going on here. I don't know if you can see. I hear this noise coming from up here in that fan. And you turn the light on, but the fan's not coming on. It almost sounds like it's an animal or a bird or something that's up there. I'm gonna have to try to get up into that attic, which is really hard to do. I almost think that maybe something is I might take that fan cover off first and see if there's something I can figure out. At any rate, I thought I'd record this just to see what it ends up being. So I'm up here. When I move this fan, there's something in there. Oh, you see that foot? There's a bird in there. What the heck? Oh, man. Okay, well, there's going to be a big challenge here to try to figure out how to get that out of there. Okay, my strategy here is to pull this fan down out of here and see if the bird comes down with it. And I don't know, it's not giving me a lot of help here doing this. I don't know if I can. Oh, crap. Well, what's going on here? Come on. Uh-oh. Looks like we're getting somewhere here. Okay. All right, it's a blackbird. Starling. Yeah, I sure don't want to let him loose in here. How am I going to do this? There. Now he can't get out. Got him.